Guys, what are we doing here? I don't know. According to my AI calculations. Can you shut up, you nerd? Yeah, nerd. I'm not a nerd. You guys are just jealous that I'm a robot. I am a fictitious robot. Who cares about this stupid robot crap? Okay, and by the way, why are we here anyways? I don't know. Where is the owner? Or something. Like, where's King Melon? Yo, guys. Oh, my bad. Yo, guys. Today, y'all will be playing a fighting game. You guys will fight to the death. Like fight like this. Boy, don't hit me. Okay then. I can hit you if I want to. Okay, we will play Squid game, but this is the final. It's called Squid Fight. You have to fight to the death. And by the way, I'll be watching from up here. See ya. So, Melon and Pumpkin goes. It's still so steep. Oh. I thought I'm gonna fall off. You guys will be picking your weapons, but no weapons needed. Today, yeah.